Hi, and welcome to day 21 of Vlogmas 2025. As you can see, it's still the same day. I just got, yeah, you know what the deal is. You know what. If you watched yesterday's, you know it's like I had to finish the 20th on the 20th, so now I'm doing the 21st on the 20th. So I can be a day ahead with like 5 days left until Christmas. I still got a lot of crap I gotta do. Um, I've got to sometime tonight, and I was going to do it earlier, but my foot was kind of just being, it was hurting. So I'm just sitting here with it kind of like out. I've got my regular ankle brace on because I could not get this ace bandage wrapped properly, snug enough for compression. So I've got a different ankle brace that I've had for since I was in Vegas 20 something years ago. When did I go? 2013, 12. Wait. No. Oh my god. 2003? Yeah. It's been a little over 22 years since I went to Vegas, and that's when I bought the brace because, well, I went to go see Duran Duran in Vegas, and the floor at the joint was sticky as hell, so I ended up like tweaking my ankle, so I ended up having to buy a brace while I was there because that sucked. So yeah, and it was standing room only, so that was I general admission. I'm over general admission. I can't deal with it unless it's like a really small venue, like the Black Sheep where I went and saw Men Without Hats back in August. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. So I need to get home my Thanksgiving stuff off the dining room table and put the Christmas stuff up there. I need to get this tree semi decorated. I still haven't done it. It's just sad and pathetic and just sitting there. I still don't have enough garland. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just set this, put it in a bag, and save it for next year. And because I'm going to get a different tree. I'm hoping, which I was going to try and like the day after Christmas, everything goes on sale for however much off. But I work on the 20. I have the 25th off. I work on the 26th, so I'm not going to wake up any earlier than I have to because I have to go to work. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to go and do that. So, yay, fun. But whatever, I'll just like get a new one. If I don't get to do that, just get another one next year. And get more Halloween decorations because, well, the big bin, it's only like half full. So there's room for more. And I didn't have a chance to do that this year because by the time I moved, they'd already had the Halloween decorations out in like July, I think, or August, one of those. So I couldn't, I was in the middle of moving, was getting ready to move, and just did not want to have more crap to pack and load up into my vehicle, which I won't do that again. Oh my God, that was obnoxious. 4 days of running up and down 3 flights of stairs. I was not happy. If I move again, I'm just gonna hire somebody to like do it because I'm no. Anyway, so I've been trying. I did get my temperature blanket caught up, which I talked about the last time, but I'm not caught up. Caught up. I'm caught up to the temperatures for this week. So I'm going to sit and back and forth. I already got one crochet one done. I need to do the knit one. Oh, I gotta flip my skein around here because I've been using one of the black skeins to attach, using the outside yarn. The center pole is for this. The outside is to attach the crochet blocks and the weeks together. So these are the first 2 weeks. I got one more week, and then tomorrow I'll get the rest of it. I'll get the last day done, and then I can just attach it and then go on about my day. I do need to get that other panel, November's panel, onto the knit blanket. I have not done that yet. I'm just so behind on a lot of stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna like do this day, and then I'm going to deal with that over there, and then come back over here and do another day, and then do something else, and then back and forth. Because I'm currently, right now, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm 6 days behind on it. So I'm hoping to get almost or caught up with this tonight, because I got too much stuff I got to do tomorrow and on Monday. I got the training videos I need to do. I was going to do some today, but I got too much to do to get this caught up and stuff. So I'm going to leave it at that for right now, and I'm hoping to be back later on with a little more progress. And I just wish I had like a separate camera to like show everything else that I do. I can't really like take the web camera around with me. The cord is like 10 foot long, and it's not gonna completely reach into my living room. So I shall see you in a little bit. Yeah, it's been a day or two. Oops. I just got busy and all this other fun stuff with that thing right there. I got into a DIY project. I got a bunch of essential oils, but they're in a pack, and it was laying flat, but I could smell it, so I felt like one of them was leaking, like the peppermint one. So I was like, I spent some time, and I made a little tiered shelf out of cardboard. That sucked up a lot of time. Didn't get back to it. Made myself a notebook because I'm lazy and I wanted to use the stuff I had on hand. Well, you could have go out and bought a notebook. Yeah, no, I could have, but I didn't want to leave. And it was late when I decided, maybe I'll just do that myself. It's just folded over printer paper, glued the spine, then taped it and put some... I can't find my card stock. So I used some paper bags that I got from Walmart when I had that delivery last week, and I just put it in there. I just used that. So it works fine. It's good. Yeah. So Vlogmas has just been ridiculous. Is that freaking returned that? It's been a busy day. Hair's all a mess. I returned that internet box. And then I went to the thrift store to try to find something. I got a spice rack. It's like right there. That's all I came out with. I'm just like, ugh, this is stupid. And I was trying to find these butter warmers because I want to have like scented like simmer pots, but I don't want anything on the stove. So they're like these little ramekins that you put in a holder, and you could put a tea light under it. They didn't have any at Walmart. I'd have to order it. Meh. So I'll probably end up doing that after the first of the year. Right now it's too much at the moment with Christmas just 3 days away. Because right now it's the 22nd. I think I might just end my Vlogmas early. I got so much stuff I gotta flip and do. I gotta take care of the... when I went to urgent care, I gotta take care of that paperwork. I got to get my paperwork for the days I missed from urgent care. I need to get that out of there and get that in my bag so I don't forget it. I got to do computer training. I started out with 10 yesterday. I did 4 of them. I don't feel very Christmassy. I'm not really in kind of like any kind of Christmassy spirit right now because foot still hurts. I'm tired. I still got to make dinner. So I probably won't, this Vlogmas is going to end today because I need a break. I've got too many things I have to do. Editing video right now is not really going to be one of them, except I'm going to have to edit this and get it uploaded for tonight as soon as it's ready because, well, I'm beat. I'm really tired. So I'm going to end it now, and sorry that it was on kind of a crappy ending, but I would like a nap. Could use a snack. Yeah, snack sounds good, but I don't have any. Anyway, I will see you guys after the first of the year because I'm taking a break from now until like maybe I think the 5th of January. So I shall see you then. We'll have more content, new stuff. We'll get everything back and going, and hopefully I can get all my bleep together so I can get everything that I want to do this coming year like I want to. So I shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.